Greetings. I'm delighted to have you here, exploring the concept of manifesting the big things faster. It's no secret that many seek to achieve their greatest desires, to see them come into reality, yet some find themselves waiting, wondering if there's more they could do to make it happen sooner. Today, let's get deeply into what can make your manifestation process clearer, more powerful, and more effective. First, let's begin with this vital truth: everything you wish to experience already exists within you. Every desire, every vision you hold, starts as a thought, a feeling, and a conviction within your mind. The mistake many make is in believing that what they want lies outside themselves, waiting to be grasped or earned through actions alone. But the journey to manifesting quickly starts within. When you recognize that you are the source, that your consciousness shapes the world around you, you will see that the distance between you and your big dreams is only a matter of aligning yourself with those desires more deeply and more convincingly. You see, when we desire something intensely, we often place it on a pedestal, feeling it somehow far from reach or only achievable through immense effort. But I encourage you to view this desire differently. Instead of seeing it as something large and distant, think of it as close and possible. This is crucial. The greater the gap between your perception of self and your desired experience, the longer it will seem to take. Your consciousness must embody the feeling of already having what you desire. When you truly feel as though you already have it, you align yourself perfectly with that reality. Let's explore a powerful way to do this. Think about a desire you consider big. It could be wealth, a relationship, or success in a particular field. Hold this desire in your mind, but rather than focusing on the enormity of it, focus on the naturalness of having it. Imagine what it would feel like if you already possessed it. Allow yourself to feel the ease, the satisfaction, and the calm assurance of having reached your goal. This shift in perspective, from viewing your desire as distant to seeing it as present, is transformative. This isn't just an exercise in imagination, it's a shift in identity. When you identify as someone who already possesses your desire, your actions, thoughts, and decisions begin to align with this new self. Your outer world begins to change as a result. Note, it's not enough to merely wish for something, you must embody it. Each time you find yourself slipping into a mindset of longing or separation, remind yourself that you already have what you seek within. Reinforce this belief every day until it becomes your natural state. Another effective tool is gratitude. Often, we only feel gratitude for things we can see and touch. But to manifest effectively, cultivate gratitude for things before they appear. This may feel counterintuitive, but it's a powerful way to shift your mind from a state of lack to a state of abundance. Begin each day with a few minutes dedicated to feeling grateful for the fulfillment of your desires, as if they were already here. Notice the joy, the freedom, and the confidence that come with this feeling. When gratitude becomes part of your daily routine, it strengthens your belief and aligns your energy with the reality you wish to create. Let's also discuss belief. Belief is at the core of all manifestations. It's not enough to merely think about your desire, you must believe it is possible for you and that you are worthy of it. Doubt creates resistance and delay, while belief acts as a bridge that brings your dreams to you faster. If you find yourself doubting, take a step back and observe those thoughts without judgment. Remind yourself that you have the power to shape your reality. Strengthen your belief by repeating affirmations or visualizations that confirm your worthiness and ability to achieve your desires. Now, there is no rush in manifestation, though it's natural to wish for things to come faster. But remember, speed is a result of clarity and alignment. The more clearly you see yourself with what you want, and the more aligned you feel with that vision, the quicker it will manifest. Eliminate feelings of impatience, as they only reinforce the idea that you lack what you seek. Instead, cultivate a sense of calm expectancy, knowing that your desire is on its way and will arrive at the perfect time. You must also learn to detach from the outcome. Detachment doesn't mean you don't care about your desire, it means you release the need to control how and when it happens. When you're overly attached, you send a message of lack, indicating that you don't truly believe it's already yours. Detachment, however, conveys trust. When you release the need to micromanage the process, you open up space for the universe to bring your desire in the best possible way. Trust that your desire will come to you in the right form and time. Visualization is one of the simplest yet most effective tools to strengthen your manifestation. Set aside a few minutes each day to close your eyes and vividly imagine your life with your desire fulfilled. Use all your senses to make it feel real. What does it look like, sound like, feel like? How do others respond to you? This is your opportunity to immerse yourself in the experience of having what you want. Do this consistently, with focus and emotion, and you'll begin to notice changes in your reality. Consistency is key. Manifestation isn't a one-time effort, it's a way of being. It requires regular, intentional focus on what you want to create. Make it a habit to check in with yourself throughout the day. Are your thoughts aligned with your desired reality? Are you feeling as though you already have what you seek? If not, take a moment to realign. Your current thoughts and feelings shape your future experiences, so use them wisely. Let's talk about inner talk. How you speak to yourself shapes how you perceive and interact with the world. Cultivate an inner dialogue that reinforces your desired reality. Speak to yourself with compassion, encouragement, and affirmation. Instead of doubting or questioning your worthiness, remind yourself that you are fully capable of achieving your dreams. This shift in inner talk can have a profound impact on your manifestation journey. Each of these steps builds on the others to create a powerful momentum toward your desires. Manifestation is not an act of forcing or pushing, it's a gentle unfolding, a steady alignment with what you know to be yours. As you apply these principles consistently, you will notice the big things beginning to come into your life with increasing ease and speed. In each moment, remember that you are not separate from your desires. You are the creator, the source, and the vessel through which your dreams come to life. With belief, gratitude, clarity, and unwavering focus, you can manifest whatever you choose. Practice these steps, nurture your belief, and think of the truth of who you are, a creator with the power to shape your reality. So go ahead, hold your vision boldly, knowing it is not far but present within you. It is waiting only for you to realize its reality fully. And when you do, you'll witness how quickly life responds, aligning effortlessly with your innermost desires. Cultivating a relaxed expectation is powerful. This means holding your desire with certainty while letting go of any rigid need to control. Often, what holds people back isn't a lack of action or vision but a grasp on needing to see progress immediately. Speed can be achieved not through impatience but by creating a state of calm anticipation. Imagine your desire already fulfilled, and then go about your day, open to life's natural flow and new, unanticipated pathways. There is also the value of intention setting in manifestation. Every day, set a clear, singular intention that aligns with your desire, but keep it simple. You might set an intention to experience success in one particular area, perhaps a small but fulfilling part of your greater goal. These micro-intentions build up, creating momentum, and increasing the strength of your focus. When done consistently, they align your mind with an undeniable belief that your bigger vision is inevitable. These daily affirmations or actions give you feedback, reinforcing that things are moving toward what you want, perhaps even faster than you realize. Additionally, consider how essential it is to act on insights and nudges. Many people think manifestation is about visualization alone, but it's also about inspired action. These insights could be simple thoughts, gentle hints, or ideas that come to you seemingly out of nowhere. Take these as signals and follow them. They're the path markers that will bring your vision to life. Act on them, not with desperation or force, but with a genuine openness to see where they lead. Each inspired action is like laying one more brick on the path to your goal. As we wrap up, if you found these insights helpful, I invite you to support this channel. By subscribing, you'll stay connected with more empowering ideas on manifesting a life you love. There's so much more to uncover, so tap that subscribe button if you're ready to deepen your practice. Also, if these words have sparked something within you, don't forget to like this video. Each like helps share these powerful principles with more people who might need them. And, if you're eager for more, turn on notifications to be alerted whenever new content is available. If you'd like a continuous flow of insights, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's keep building a space for reflection and growth together. Every subscription is a vote of encouragement for this channel to create content that speaks to the heart and inspires real change. Lastly, don't forget to leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts, your experiences with manifestation, and any questions you have. Together, we create an inspiring conversation that lifts everyone up. And as a simple gesture, hit the subscribe button to stay engaged in this journey of self-discovery. There's more to come, and I'm excited to have you along for it.